Hi friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. Today's video is going to be it's going to be trifold. I'm going to share with you 3 fall vignettes or tabletop vignettes. You will see a full tablescape. You will see the tabletop of a buffet decorated for fall, and you will also see a coffee table decorated for fall. I'm doing little things in the house before I do my final tour, and so I wanted to share these with you and let you see what you think. I enjoy doing them, and I think they came out kind of pretty. I actually do, and I hope that you will too. So come on in and let's get started. So guys, we're starting here with my fall tablescape. It's an early fall tablescape. I am using these I love, and they were thrifted. Those napkins, let me say this, they have the leaf print on them or motif on them, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I thrifted those from a little shop at Myrtle Beach when we were visiting there sometime last year. I'm using a burgundy charger, a white plate, and then the Gather little dessert plates from Dollar Tree. And in each plate I've placed a small white pumpkin. The centerpiece is just a joy to me. It's my dough bowl, and I filled it with all things fall: leaves and birds and pumpkins. And as always, I popped in a couple of lights so that at night it's really pretty. But it's filled, and it has hydrangeas in gold, which is, the fall color, and I think it's just beautiful. On either side I have the large candelabras, but on top I have the fall balls there. I forget what you call those, so leave me a comment below and remind me what these are called. But I have one on either end, and then I have the candlesticks next to the dough bowl, and next to that I have an angel on either end. My runner has a pumpkin, which I think is very pretty, on either end, and each chair at the heads of the table have a pillow that is also dressed in pumpkin attire. And this one says Autumn Harvest, I believe, or just Autumn. And it's muted, and I just love it. And the other, I think, when we get to the other end, it says Harvest. So we have Gather, we have Autumn, and I think, and we will see on the other end, I think we have Harvest. And I'm just in love with the napkins. They just do it for me for some reason. And so this is my early fall tablescape, and this is number 1 of our tabletop vignettes for today. Guys, isn't that pumpkin just gorgeous? I don't know why. Although I love the pops of color and the colors of fall, I love those muted colors as well. I really, really do. And the burgundies and the golds are really gorgeous to me. And so this table is filled with both. I love the way this turned out. Oh, and I have the champagne glasses, and I also have the coffee mugs as well. I'm happy with that. I hope you like it too. Our second vignette we're going to go to is my buffet. Now this, on the other hand, is mainly white, and I like it that way. The 2 candelabras that have the black and white bows and the green balls on top were DIYs that I did. I frosted the glass and all, and that was a really fun project. And then in my greenery here at the end, that in my large jar, I guess you would call that, I just popped in a long and tall fall floral. And then I popped little pieces of orange throughout the black and the white, mainly white, to pull it all together. I think it's muted. I think it's pretty. And I don't think it's overly done. The little houses, of course, were from Target Dollar Spot a couple of years ago. And because they're white, I love them sitting there. They'll be great for the Christmas holidays as well. And we have our final tabletop, which was my coffee table. It too has a runner on it that has pumpkins, and again, they're muted. And I have everything housed in a tray. And as you can see with the fall florals, I also have some gourds there tossed in, just kind of like they were thrown there. And I have the 3-tiered pumpkin, and I also have a white pumpkin that is sitting on the leaves. The pumpkin that's sitting on the leaves, I think, is a Target find, and the leaves, of course, came from Dollar Tree. The fern, I didn't add anything to it. I just liked it green. That was a DIY. And the florals, I just kind of laid in there to bring color and that pop of color that we all need. In the back, there's a candle that I picked up from Ross. It smells delicious. And then I also have my 2 lead crystal candelabras as well. I think this came out really pretty, and it just screams fall. And in there, I've also laid my my beads with the tassels. On the back, there's an elephant, and everything is either white or clear except for the pops of color of the gourds and the leaves. So I didn't change a lot, I just popped it with color. And that is our 3rd fall tabletop. So I hope that you've enjoyed this little decorate with me. It was fun pulling it together, and these 2 rooms are together, so those colors are actually working really, really well together. I hope it has inspired you to get your home fall ready, if you will. And I also hope that it brought you a little joy. My goal is for all of us to find something in our lives every day that brings us joy. And guys, if you're not already subscribed, hit that button below. Become a member of the Cozy Lifers, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. I will be doing another prepper video quite soon. So with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with hugs, blessings, and lots of love. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.